Alright guys, so here's the step to follow if you want to connect to your VPS using your personal computer. Okay, so all you need to search for, okay, in your search bar here is remote desktop connection. Okay, you can see it. Just click on OK. Once you click on OK, you copy your IP address. Okay, you should have your IP address ready. You copy your IP address, you paste it. Okay, you can click on show option. So you input your username. Okay, this has been inputted already before. You input your username, then you click on allow me to save credentials. You can see allow me to save credentials, then mark it, then you click on save. Okay, once you click on save, you click on connect, then it should request for the password. Alright, this should request for the password. Okay, then you copy the password, you copy it, and you paste. Okay, then you click on OK. So this should connect. You ensure that everything is correct, everything is put in place. Your IP address is correct, your password is correct, the username is correct. Once everything is correct, it should connect without any issue. So the next video will be how you can connect your VPS using your smartphone. Okay, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I will be ready to answer your questions. Okay, yeah.
Alright guys, so to be able to log into your mobile phone using your VPS, to log in your VPS on your mobile phone, all you need to do is to download this application. Okay, Windows app. Okay, it's available for Android and iOS users. You can see it, Windows app. Just click on open, you install it, then you click on open. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to click on this arrow. You can see this arrow at the top here, this plus sign, this plus sign. You click on it, then you click on PC connection. Okay, you click on OK. Then it requires you to input your IP address. You'll be inputting your IP address at this point. So ensure that your IP address has been written somewhere so you can copy it. Okay, so let me copy my own. Let me copy my own IP address. Okay, so you copy it, then you paste it. Okay, you click on done. And the next thing is this one. All you need to just do is just leave it the way it is. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is click on save. Okay, once you click on save, then you click for you to log in now. Okay, you click on that same IP address. Now it's going to ask you for the username and the password. Okay, it's going to ask for the username and the password. So the username is IDM-VPS. Okay, IDM-VPS. Then the next thing, you click on next. Then you copy the password. You go back and copy your password. Okay, you copy your password. Once you copy your password, then you paste your password here. Okay, you click on done, then you click on continue. Okay, so this should log in. Okay, so it says certificate can be verified. Do you want to connect anyways? Yes. Okay, click on connect, and this should do it. Yeah, you can see. So this is how you get to log into your VPS on your mobile phone. You can see it, and it looks like you are operating the personal computer on your mobile phone. You can see it. It has a Google Chrome, it has a MT5 terminal, and also a MT4 inbuilt terminal. So this is it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also turn on post notification. Drop a comment on anything you want as regarding trading with a trading robots. Okay, and also I'll be leaving the link to purchase this VPS on the description. Okay, this VPS costs just $3 and you can use it for up to a month. Okay, so I'll be dropping the link in the description. Check the link in the description. Ensure you register with the link in the description. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe and have a lovely day. Bye.